Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Scorpios, if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards for your general energies today, Scorpios. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Swords in reverse, and Moon. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in this relationship, you have a lot of dreams and plans for your future. You are feeling really passionate about certain things, some kind of a subconscious urge, something pushing you towards some choices. So you are being influenced by your subconscious, or your intuition is working today, Scorpios. And deep down, you know what is the right thing, and there are certain circumstances, or it may be your own inner voice telling you what you need to do today. But in your physical circumstances, you may see something different, something that is attracting you, something that is not right. It may be some offers or opportunities that may look like something good. You may have your instincts telling you otherwise, but still, you may make some wrong choices. So, you need to be really careful today, Scorpios. Careful with appearances. So, all that glitters may not be gold today for you. So, in your work situation, or even in your personal life with people, you know, you must be really careful. And in this relationship, maybe you feel that this person is not to be trusted or relied on. Maybe the way they are, the words they speak, or something they tell you is making you realize something important, that they are not trustworthy, they are not loyal towards you, towards this connection, and you feel really lost or sad because you trusted them and you are expecting certain things from this person, expecting them to be a good partner, to be that friendly person. But what they are is something going against your expectations. And just like I said, appearances are deceiving. So maybe you thought of them as someone good, someone friendly, but their true nature is coming out today. So you will see their true nature today, Scorpios. So for your relationship, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. Nine of Swords. Something is bothering you a lot. Maybe this person is making you really sleepless, worried, And the reason maybe um you cannot, maybe for some of you, if you know the truth about this person, maybe they are trying to deceive you in some ways and you cannot take their deception. That may be the reason you are very much worried, anxious, worried about this relationship, because it's not based on truth, it is not based on honesty, guys. So maybe it may be because of that you feel really sleepless, or for some of you, you are meeting your past person, your ex. They are coming to you to see you today, and it is making you really worried, making you really sleepless, because with this person, with this present person, you are not having a good relationship. And this past person is rekindling certain emotions in you, and you're feeling really worried and sad the way things are going. And you're wishing that things were different for you today, guys. Scorpios. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Four of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your career circumstances, you need to be really careful. You need to be uh, on guard, making the right choices today. So that will help you avoid some difficulties if you are attentive and if you are prudent enough, wise enough. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts, and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good, and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether our soul, this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.